Hey YouTube, and I'm gonna be unboxing the Kinect, like the Xbox Kinect. Hint, hint. I'm just playing. Yeah, we're gonna be unboxing the Xbox Kinect. So let me just place my camera somewhere right there. I'm using my brother's bread. So yeah. All right. Kinect. Let's unbox this thing, jiggy. Let me just set the view. Alright, let's unbox it. Or should I just stick it like this? Yeah, this is my brother's bed, and this is my bed, over there. So yeah. And let's start. Let me just cut off the little tape right there. Open it. Looks like this. Yeah. Oh yeah, the little green thing right there. Yeah, let's take it out. Ow. I didn't hurt though, but just yeah. My feet. Here's the Kinect, and let's get. Oh, watch out for like pulling, because if you pull it, it might easily break, like this. Oh my gosh! All right, and first take off the Kinect, then once you get it, pull off this part, that and that, and you get this, the wires and stuff. Alright, and a fluffy thingy for the Kinect to protect it. Alright, just set this down so I could oh my gosh. Alright, the paper to connect, yeah, and so yeah, let's open it. Well, I'll be sending like a little review about it. So alright, yeah. Oh, look at here. I just decided to open it, so yeah. Yeah, the game disc. Where is it? It's right there. Wait. Alright, I'm back. I just had to do something. Okay. Alright. Oh yeah, back to the game. The disc. Oh yeah. Right there. Oops, sorry. Right there. Blah blah blah. And it came with a celebration, blah blah, calibration. You're gonna need that, it says. I'll do that in the review though, if I have one. Alright. And if you have an Xbox, or if you have a slim Xbox, it gives you this. So I got a regular Xbox over there, and so they give you this thingy, and you plug it in your thing, and it makes you the Xbox. And if you don't have an Xbox and you have the Slim, you're not gonna need this little thing. And it's not extension cord, something like that. It comes with some manual, another manual. Netflix, Xbox. I already have Xbox Live. If you want to see, yeah. Let me just put that there. Yeah, the connect right there. Let's take this off. Excuse me. Dang. Okay. Alright. I just need to get out these thingamajiggies. And oh shit, it's a lot of wires. I don't know, but I think this is the recharger for it, something like that. The recharger or something. And this is to like plug the charger or something. It's orange. Let me just tangle the wires. So yeah, it's all tangled. It's kind of a long video, 5-6 minutes or something or so. 7 minutes. Shit, I hate that. Never mind. Just don't listen to it. Alright, alright. Fuck, I'm talking to myself. Why? Why would I talk to myself? Too much wires, man. No kidding. I'm not kidding. Too much wires. Holy shit. Oh my gosh. See what you did, Microsoft? Ooh. Wrong thing. And so, yeah. So you just stick it together. And you got it right there. And you're done. And then you just stick thing in your Xbox. Oh, wait, forgot one thing. See this? Oh shit. Alright, see this last cord? That's not, yeah, it's a cord for the thing. See this last cord? You get your regular thing, Xbox thing, and you just, damn. You plug it like this. Like that. And then plug in your Xbox in the front. Alright, wait. In the front. And then get the little recharger. Get that little recharger I told you about. This thing. And plug it in any wire to recharge it, but I'm just gonna like put it close to my Connect. So, oh, let me just stack this thing so like fit. Alright, I know it's kind of boring, man. So yeah, I think I got everything plugged. Yep, I got everything plugged. And here's how it looks like. And plug it in like that. And that's all you need to do. It's so easy. Yeah, it looks like a recharger. Alright. So yeah. Let's turn it on. Oops, sorry. You see this later, my friends, on the review when it comes out. Peace out.